Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode. This is Ghaneva Air channel where it's all about mini importation, personal development and lifestyle. Today's episode is about mini importation. Today's episode, we are going to talk about how to refund on 1688. So, what is refund? Refund simply means that you've purchased something on 1688, but you don't want it anymore, or you were just trying it out on the process of how it is to buy something on 1688 and you complete the purchase. So, you don't want the purchase anymore. Or you mistakenly purchase something on 1688 but you don't want it anymore. You want to get your money back and buy something different from the one you bought on 1688. There are many reasons why people refund on 1688, and these are the reasons that I personally do refund on 1688. So today's video is about how do I refund, how do I get my money back if I don't actually want that then I ordered. So let's go straight into the video. So we are going to click on the Me profile. Now when we come to the Me profile, we have to ship and we have to receive. These are the two icons that we can do our refund, and we have the refund here. So every refund that you do, it is going to be in the refund. Okay, so now let's click on to receive, because currently I don't have anything on to ship. But if your things are into ship, you can as well do a refund with the same process. So let's click on to receive. So when we click on to receive, you could see logistic here, you could see logistic there as well, but we are going to use more this place to do our refund. Okay, now let me give you these tips before we continue. First, let's click on logistic of this selfie stick. So when we click on logistic of the selfie stick, now you could see from here that my items has been to the shipping company in China. If you don't understand, I have a full video on how you could know that your things has been shipped to the shipping company in China. So you can just check the video in the description box. I've put the video link there, so you can just simply click on that video link to watch it. So let's go straight into what today's video is about. So this means that our things are in the shipping company warehouse. Yeah, and let's click on this one, the French brace on the logistic. I want to show you something. So when we check this place, it means that our things hasn't been in the warehouse in China to be shipped. That's the difference that I want to show you, because I'm going to show you the difference on the reason why you can do a refund and the reason why you can't do a refund. So I hope you take note of this. Now let's go back to the to receive icon. So let's click on more. This one is the one that it is not even in transit to the shipping company. So let's click on more. Now when you click on more, you could see to refund here, or extend the receipt or similar, but today's episode is about refund, so let's talk only about the refund. So you could see refund here because my things are not even in transit. I just made the purchase of this hair. That means that I can do a refund. But let's click on the selfie stick, on the more of the selfie stick. Okay, so with the selfie stick as well, I can do a refund. Now let's click on the bow tie knot on the more. okay, with that one too, I can do a refund. I wanted to show you something, because if you've already made a purchase or if your things has been to the warehouse, you can't do a refund. But let's click on the surface take refund. Okay, so this means that you can refund only goods shipped, refund only recommended to negotiate with the merchant. So if your things has already been to the warehouse in China, that's the shipping company, you can only do the refund if you negotiate with the merchant, because your things has already been shipped to the warehouse. Or you can refund if your things hasn't been to the warehouse, that's the return refund, because your things hasn't been to the warehouse. Or if there is any problem with your goods, you can also refund. So you bought something and you don't like the quality, or the blender was cracked and all of those, you can as well refund, but you would need to negotiate for what, for a replacement from the supplier. That's what it means. Now let's go to the one that we just made a purchase on. So this is the one that I just made a purchase on. Now let's click on more, refund. Yes, so this means that my things are in transit. They've already given to delivery guys to send my things to the shipping company. So the carrier has already taken my things from the supplier, which means that if I want to refund, I need to negotiate with the merchants. But I wanted to show you something on the refund when it is in to ship. To ship means that the carrier hasn't yet come to your supplier to take your things. So you could have just click on refund and your money would be back to you without you negotiating with the merchant. That's what I wanted to show you. But in this case, all of them has been in transit, so I cannot show you exactly how to refund in the to ship button. But this is simply how you could refund. Okay, yes, this is simply how you could refund on 1688. It's either that your things hasn't still yet gotten to the shipping company, or you didn't get the exact thing you want, or you just don't want it anymore. But if you just don't want it anymore, it has to be in the to ship. It's like instantly that you ordered it and you don't want it, quickly come to the to ship to refund. For that one, you don't need to negotiate with the merchant. You just simply go refund and you get your money back. I've done that before. That's the reason why I bought this hair, so that I could practice it. But I think right after buying it, the supplier just gave it to the carrier to take it to the shipping company. That's why I couldn't show you about to ship. But this is a glimpse of what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I hope you've understood a lot of things that I've said in the video. If you don't understand anything that I said here, please do well to let me know in the comment section, and if I can truly help you, I would really like to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate that. Please do well to like this video, share the video to someone you think need this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This channel is a growing channel, so I need your subscription to the channel. So please do well to subscribe to the channel and join this beautiful community. Thank you for watching this video, and please do well to take very good care of yourself. I root for you. I'll see you in another video. Bye.